Hi buddy, what's this? Chewy's already happy. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this pet brush. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing's pretty cool. It has the wire bristles with the plastic ends to keep it from scratching the animal. And it also has this button. When you push it, it'll push all the hair off the bristles. What do you think, buddy? Oh my gosh. Chewy loves to be brushed all the time. He sure does seem to be liking this one. Look, I can already see the hair coming off you, buddy. Look how much we got. Winter is coming, and it's getting that time of year when the cats are shedding. Your dogs are probably shedding too. And we don't want all of this hair on the furniture. I can handle some of it, but not all. And then we'll just push the button, and the hairball comes off. That easy. Tell you what, this is a pretty good brush. It's working really good. I can already feel how much smoother he is and softer. I know, buddy. And he sure is enjoying it, aren't you, bud? You like it? Oh, yeah. Chewy definitely approves of this one. He says, you can brush me with this thing all day. And look at all the hair it's taken out. That much less hair, I gotta vacuum up. Well, Chewy approves of this brush. And I think I do too, because it's really easy to get the hair off.